To use an Afterpay card in store, you first need to have an Afterpay account and an Afterpay card. The Afterpay card is a digital card that can be added to your mobile wallet, allowing you to make purchases in store using the Afterpay payment system. Begin by ensuring your Afterpay account is active and you have sufficient funds available for the purchase you wish to make. You also need to have a compatible mobile device and a digital wallet such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. To add the Afterpay card to your digital wallet, open the Afterpay app, navigate to the card section, and follow the prompts to add the card to your chosen digital wallet. This process typically involves scanning a QR code or following a link to your digital wallet provider's website. Once the Afterpay card is added to your digital wallet, you can use it to make purchases in store at participating retailers. When you are ready to make a purchase, let the retailer know you wish to pay using Afterpay and they will prompt you to present your mobile device for payment. Open your digital wallet, select the Afterpay card, and authenticate the transaction using your device's security method, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. The retailer will then process the payment and you will receive confirmation of the transaction in the Afterpay app. It is essential to keep track of your Afterpay account and ensure you have sufficient funds available to make repayments on time. Afterpay typically requires you to make 4 interest-free installments, and missing a payment can result in late fees. To avoid any issues, make sure to review the terms and conditions of your Afterpay account and understand the repayment schedule before making a purchase. By following these steps and using the Afterpay card responsibly, you can enjoy the convenience of paying for purchases in store over time.